What actually breaks when coding gets 10 times faster? Steve Sanderson, who works on a GitHub Copilot agent runtime team, made an observation that I think many teams are quietly starting to experience. The bottleneck is no longer writing the code, it's reviewing it. Imagine a small engineering team, 7 to 10 developers, merging over 200 pull requests in a single week. Even if half of these pull requests are small, that still leaves around 100 real features landing in the code base. That kind of throughput changes the dynamics for the team because someone still has to read that code someone has to decide whether it's correct conceptually, whether it fits the architecture, whether it creates problems 6 months from now. And that's where things start to feel different. The constraint shifts from production to judgment. Another subtle effect he mentioned is even more personal. When you go back to your editor and try to write code manually now, it can feel strange. Your instinct starts to shift from typing syntax to describing intent. Instead of thinking, which API do I call now? You start thinking, how would I explain this in English? That doesn't mean the craft of software engineering disappears. If anything, it means the craft moves up a level. We're still engineers. We still decide what should exist and what shouldn't. But now we are directing systems that produce that implementation. We are kind of the managers, not the ICs. That's the heart of agentic engineering. More leverage, more responsibility, and much wider space of problems we can take on. So here is the encouraging part. This isn't about replacing engineers. It's about expanding what engineers can attempt. Problems that used to be and feel too big, too messy, too unfamiliar suddenly become approachable. Fixing bugs in languages we don't even know. Prototyping ideas in hours instead of weeks. Exploring solutions instead of debating them endlessly. So the real opportunity right now is simple. Lean into the capability we are given and aim a little higher than you did before. Let's go learn and build together.